Jamaica's senior netballers will look to right the wrongs of a fifth-place finish at the last Fast 5 World Series as they return to Christchurch in New Zealand next month. The nation's senior netballers are also preparing for a series against England at the end of November.
The depth of Jamaica's netball program will be tested come next month, as the senior Sunshine Girls will be engaged in the Fast 5 World Series in Christchurch, New Zealand, and a format series against England Roses. The Fast 5 team doesn't have fond memories of Christchurch, where the World Series will be played, as they finished 5th at the same venue last year. Some young faces are in this squad, but Amanda Pinkney will be making her third trip to the tournament for the shorter version of the game.
It's really anybody game because, we have the three-pointers, which can be 6 when it's power play. So we're really going there. We have our secret weapons, and we're going there bigger. And as I said before, it's going to be nervous for some of us, but we're going to hold it. And maybe the first game, we might just to get the feel of how the international game is, but we're not going there to bat down or baby any team.
Kimon Shaw is also going on her third trip to the Fast 5 World Series and says the team is focusing on getting certain aspects of play right.
We need to nail just the midcourt and also the defending as well. But I think that the girls are, and myself included, are doing a pretty good job at that, and I know that we're going to bring something to the table.
Fast rising Zodi Green and Tiffany Langley are first-time call-ups.
I expect my team to work hard so that we may make it to the finals. We don't want to jump the gun, but I know that we have the best quality to go out there and make it there.
I am feeling a little nervous, but by time I will get over that, hoping to get over that. So, yes, I am expecting to go and to conquer the nervous and to do my best.
Hines says that they're also making sure the players are aware of changes in the game's fast-paced format.
There have been some tweaking of the rules, and therefore we were seeing our best we could adapt to the new rules and the rules of the game in itself, and to look at some different combinations, connections with the ladies.
In the meantime, the series against England will see the majority of the nation's top players in action as they play the Roses home and away.
The camaraderie, everything, it's always good to be back in Jamaica. We are looking very good, even though we don't have all of our players right now at this moment. We're just working on different combination and stuff so that when the other girls get here, then the transition will go smoothly. The aim is always to win. We take it game by game, and we are ready and excited for the challenge. And I'm sure our opposition is also ready for the challenge as well.
The away leg of the series will be played on November 16 and 17 before the Sunshine Girls return to play 2 matches in front of home support on November 25 and 26 at the National Indoor Sports Centre. The Fast 5 World Series runs from November 9 to 10.